Precision meets versatility and toolkits, delivering clean cuts, sanding, and scraping across materials. Today, we're going over the best cordless oscillating multi-tool from our top picks: power, runtime, and control for professionals and DIYers, simplifying tight space work, quick blade changes, and consistent results on every project. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DEWALT DCS356D1 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The DEWALT DCS356D1 Oscillating Multi-Tool stands out as a dependable choice for both professionals and serious DIY users who need precision and control in demanding tasks. Its brushless motor delivers noticeably longer runtime compared to traditional brushed models, making it ideal for extended projects without frequent interruptions. The 3-speed selector gives you the flexibility to match performance with the material you're working on, whether it's cutting, sanding, or scraping. One of its most practical features is the dual-grip variable speed trigger, which provides excellent control and responsiveness, especially when working in tight or delicate areas. Additionally, the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with a wide range of attachments from different brands, adding versatility. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating darker workspaces for better accuracy. Overall, this tool combines power, durability, and convenience, making it a reliable investment for users who want consistent performance across various applications. Number 2. JORGENSEN 70800 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The JORGENSEN 70800 Oscillating Multi-Tool is a versatile and budget-friendly option that delivers impressive functionality for everyday home improvement tasks. With a 5-degree oscillating angle, it provides faster and more efficient cutting compared to many standard tools, making it particularly useful for tackling larger or repetitive jobs. Its quick change system is simple and safe, featuring a locking mechanism that minimizes the risk of injury during blade replacement. The 7-speed settings, ranging from 8,000 to 16,000 OPM, allow users to adjust performance based on different materials and applications, offering flexibility for both light and moderately demanding tasks. The ergonomic design with a slim body and soft grip ensures comfortable handling, even during longer use sessions. Additionally, the universal fit system enhances compatibility with other accessories. This tool is a solid choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable multi-tool with a wide range of capabilities at an accessible price point.
Number 3. AVID POWER Oscillating Multi-Tool. The AVID POWER Oscillating Multi-Tool is designed for users who prioritize portability and convenience in light to medium-duty tasks. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it offers cordless freedom, making it especially useful for working in areas without easy access to power outlets. With a performance range of up to 18,000 OPM, it handles tasks like sanding, cutting wood, and minor repairs with ease. The 6-variable speed control allows users to fine-tune performance, from delicate detail work to more aggressive cutting jobs. This tool comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, covering most common applications, so users can get started immediately. While it may not be intended for heavy-duty professional use, it performs reliably for home renovations and maintenance projects. The battery life is adequate for typical tasks, and the overall design emphasizes ease of use. It's a practical option for DIY users seeking a compact and versatile multi-tool. Number 4. ValueMax 20-volt Oscillating Multi-Tool. The ValueMax 20-volt Oscillating Multi-Tool offers a well-rounded package for users who want cordless convenience combined with a complete accessory kit. Equipped with a 20-volt lithium battery, it eliminates the hassle of cords, allowing greater flexibility when working in tight or outdoor spaces. Its wider 3.6 degrees oscillating angle enhances cutting efficiency, especially in narrow gaps or corners where precision matters. The quick change system is straightforward and efficient, enabling fast accessory swaps without complicated steps. Safety is also considered, with an anti-pinch locking mechanism that protects users during blade changes. The included accessory set is generous, covering cutting, sanding, and scraping tasks, along with a carrying bag for easy organization. The battery indicator is a useful addition, helping you monitor power levels during use. Overall, this tool delivers solid performance and versatility, making it a suitable choice for DIY enthusiasts who want an all-in-one solution for various household projects.
Number 5. Synxiter Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Synxiter Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool is an appealing option for users already invested in DEWALT battery ecosystem, as it is designed to be compatible with their 20V batteries. This cordless tool emphasizes flexibility and convenience, allowing users to work freely without being restricted by cords. Its upgraded brushless motor enhances efficiency, durability, and overall performance, making it suitable for a variety of cutting and sanding tasks. With 6 variable speed settings ranging from 6,000 to 21,000 OPM, it offers a wide performance range that adapts well to different materials and applications. The 3-degree oscillating angle provides a good balance between speed and precision, particularly in tight or detailed work areas. The integrated LED light improves visibility, ensuring accurate results even in low light conditions. The tool-free blade installation system makes accessory changes quick and hassle-free. Although the battery is not included, the compatibility with DEWALT batteries adds convenience for existing users. Combined with its included accessory kit and auxiliary handle, this tool delivers a practical and efficient solution for DIYers and semi-professional users. That wraps up the top 5 best cordless oscillating multi-tool. Like, subscribe to the ultimate review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.